Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling ingredients and taking the first clear actions. Measure 200 g flour, 150 g sugar, and 1 tsp baking powder so ratios stay right. Once measured, preheat the oven to 180 degrees and grease a 20 cm pan. This ensures even heat and clean release. Combine softened 100 g butter with sugar and beat until pale. You create structure by aerating. Then add eggs one at a time so the batter emulsifies. This step prevents curdling and gives a smooth. You continue by incorporating liquids with care. Alternate 120 ml milk with the dry mix in 3 additions, stirring after each pour so the batter reintegrates without lumps. Make sure to fold gently rather than beat. Overmixing develops gluten and makes the cake dense. Once mostly combined, scrape the bowl and add flavor, vanilla or citrus zest, so flavors distribute evenly. If using cocoa, sift it with flour to prevent clumps. Once smooth, transfer batter to the prepared pan and level the surface for even rise. You finish by baking and finishing the cake. Place it in the 180 degrees oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Use a toothpick inserted in the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. Once baked, cool the cake 10 minutes in the pan to set, then turn out onto a wire rack so steam escapes and the crumb stays light. If the center sinks, make sure your oven temp is accurate and you didn't overmix. Reduce baking time slightly next batch, or add 1/4 tsp extra leavening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.